Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 3, Designing Simple Website Using Composer, part 1. So before starting this chapter, just we revise the previous chapters, that is how to make registration form using Composer, as well as we learn how to create CSS, that is cascading style sheet, in Composer, as well as the use of JavaScript in Composer. So in this chapter we are going to learn how to create website. So student, everyone aware about the website. What is the meaning of website? The website is a collection of web pages, and the web page means it collect the information regarding the content which we want to execute. So our first point is importance of website. Now what is the importance? A website plays an important role in a business nowadays. You can see student, nowadays everywhere we are using website. Without website it's difficult to handle each work, like suppose banking transaction, business transaction, or any organization, those who are conducting classes like schools, colleges, or government offices, those who are making Aadhaar card, voting card. So everywhere we need website, as well as if we want to book the ticket, if we want to purchase the product, if we want to send the product, that time we are using the number of various websites. It helps to presenting the business to the world. Nowadays the website, you can see there are e-commerce and m-commerce website. The e-commerce is like Amazon, Flipkart. These are the e-commerce website, which is known as business website. It helps in promoting the business, selling the products, and attracting the large number of customers. Obviously nowadays everyone is a fan of the Amazon and Flipkart website. They are purchasing directly from the online, so that's why there are large number of customers attract because of the selling of the products. Therefore it is important that the website should have good design technique which will enable the company to get the maximum amount of traffic, therefore making the maximum amount of traffic. It means student, using that website we should design that technique which is enable company to get maximum amount of traffic. Like example, if you visit the Google, or if you visit the mail or YouTube, you can see the before video, you can see the ad, as well as if you visit the any social website, the sidebar, the left side or right side, you can see ads. So that will attract to the customer to purchase from their website, and that's why therefore they are earning maximum amount from customer. The website is a collection of interlinked web pages for a specific purpose. Website, student, website is nothing but the number of web pages interlinked with each other, which is known as a website. The challenge, however, is in creating a website that is interactive, user-friendly, and providing accurate and useful information. The website should be designed in a such a way that the user find the website informative and visit it repeatedly. Obviously student, if the website is not attractive, nobody will visit there. But if the website is attractive, you are getting the meaningful information, useful information, accurate information, then definitely you are going to visit on that website. But that's why whenever we are creating the website, it should be informative, accurate, and it should be meaningful. So student, if you create the proper website, then and then only the customer can visit your website. It should increase customer base if the site is commercial, and this objective can be achieved if appropriate care is taken at the time of website designing. So student, whenever the developer is developing the website, that time he have to keep in mind the number of customer, the way of designing website, what is the purpose of that website, in the market that website will be earn profit or not. So everything that developer have to keep in mind, and after that he have to design the website. Now next point, planning for the website. Developing a good website is a project similar to any other project and require detailed planning. The better planning, the chances of success in the terms of usefulness of the website is higher. If you plan properly how to design website, then there is the 100% chance to earn from that website. And following are the importance point which should be considered for developing a good website as a part of planning process. So student, these are the some planning processes part which if you keep in mind and if you follow it, then definitely you can make a perfect website with proper manner. The purpose of the website, the first point, the first part is purpose. Inside that, the first point is saying the purpose of the website should be clearly identified before creating a website. We should be clear with the definition and goal of the website. So whenever students you are creating first time website, it should be clearly identified, the message should be proper, the goal should be proper before creating the website. Our second point is saying that a properly designed website will be helpful to organization. Definitely, suppose if you are creating a school website, that time if you want to make a lecture and if you want to upload, so that time the school website will help us to learn or different types of knowledge we can gain from that website. So there it will be help. Now our third point is explaining having decided the purpose, the content and layout of the website can be properly developed. Student, whenever we are making the website, that time your content also the important part. If you not have the proper content, if you not have the proper layout, then your website nobody going to visit. That's why keep in mind whenever you are making website, that time you have to put proper content and layout. Okay. Our next point is audience. So before we start with the designing part, we should know the expected user of the website. It means student, if we don't know how many users are going to visit your website, you're not able to design the perfect part. Like example here I am telling it, if you are creating a social website like a Flipkart or Amazon, and if that time if you don't know which are the updated technology the people are using or which devices they are used, what they want to purchase, so that thing if you put that, definitely there are number of customers will visit on your website. The website should contain both general and detailed information, and if the customer visit your website, the customer should be clear all the things from your website. It should also contain specific and non-specific data. Now our third point is another consideration is the speed of connection that the expected user will have. In case large graphical files are kept on the website, they will take a long time to download, and that's why the user will become impatient while waiting for large file and leaves the site. Thus, it is desirable that the website should contain minimal required graphic and multimedia file. Our next part is content. The website must contain complete and relevant information. Also, if the information provided is incomplete, the user can leave the website. Student, if you want to search something and if you not get the proper data, obviously you're not able to visit it again. But if you are getting the complete and relevant information, then definitely you will visit again and again on that same website. That's why your content should be correct, accurate. Placing appropriate and relevant content will satisfy user and sustain their interest in the website. If every time you update your website, every time if you give the appropriate data, then definitely the user will be satisfied and their interest in the website will be sustained. The website content should be classified into general and detailed categories. Now, the general content provides an overview of the site, organization, product and services and other items. But the detailed content provides users with the detailed information on the site like product and services description. So the navigation in the website should also be made as easy as possible. So whenever you are making the website, that website, the message navigation should be perfect. Then and then only user will get easily what information he expected from your website. And our last part is medium. More and more people are using internet through smartphones and tablets. The website design should scale for all the devices like computer, smartphones and tablets. It means student, when you making your website, you have to keep in mind the website should be work computer as well as your smartphone as well as tablets. So it should be reliable. Also, the website should be designed keeping in mind that is well displayed in all the popular web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Opera or Internet Explorer. Sometimes it's happened that student website is perfect, it's looking good, but the browser not supported. So it's not helpful. That's why whenever you are making the website, it should be support in all the browser. Okay. So here our first session completed. In this chapter, we learn importance of website and planning for the website, that is purpose, audience, content and medium. So in next lecture student, we are going to learn how to create website in Composer. Student, this chapter is very important and interesting. If you concentrate and if you practice every day at your home, it's become easy to understand. So thank you. Have a nice day.